Now, hello and welcome again to Coding in MicroStation. And let's say if you have a truck or a road and you want to add chainage. So this video here will do for a truck, but the process is the same. So you can see I have a long truck. Let me put off this ballast. That looks better. Now let's say if you want to add a truck using VBA, you can either code using VBA or you can use AI to create the code, or you can just download the code. Now the code already exists for free. All you have to do is just get it. So if you go to Smart Beam Code, go to Code Market here, you can see there's a list of plenty of codes that are there for free. You can hit search here. You can pick a language. So I'm gonna go for VBA, and if you type, for example, Chainage, and this will give you all the code for Chainages. So if I say search, in this case there's only one, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So just try download here. You can get the code there, just save it. Now you have the code there, so you can open the code and you can inspect the code if you want. And if you're happy with the code, you can just copy the whole thing. So I'm gonna copy from there up to there, just Control C and go to MicroStation, and you can place the code and just run. So let me open there, and I can put my code here, for example, so I can see that's my chainage. So I will pick this truck and I'll put the code there, and this where I should go. So if I say run, this will run the code. I will say okay and okay again, and you have our chainage just like that. So you can see that's 10, that's 20, and it goes all the way to I don't know where, but again, that's one way of doing it. And if you think, for example, if you want to adjust the spacing, or maybe sides left to right, and maybe even if you want to adjust this point here, for example, if it's not 0, maybe something else, you can do that, and you can just hit run again, and that's it.